Hello and bonjour. My name is Chloe Cates, and I would like to take you through my website, Introduction to French. This webpage is here to help you with your expectations for my class. Here, as a beginner French student, you will learn the fundamentals of the wonderful French language. The first thing I would like to draw your attention to is the tech blog down here at the bottom. If you just click this here, this will open up to my blog. Next is just my biography. Here you can learn a little bit about me and how I fell in love with the French language and how it's influenced my life. My adventure of going and living in France for a couple of years as a nanny or an au pair. And this page tells you everything you need to know about me. This here is my personal choice page. This page, just while it's finishing loading, highlights some TED Talks and YouTube videos that these are just absolutely great resources to kind of help advance your knowledge of French. These things are anywhere from TED Talks to, I believe right here in this space, there's a little mini French film of the Three Little Pigs. Yes, right here in French. Um, and a few little notes about and videos about education in general and the importance of caregivers and another YouTube video about the basics of learning French. These should all be great resources for anyone trying to learn the beginning of French. Under resources, we have our Wakelets and Wikis. Wakelet was one of my favorite websites that I discovered during this course. I think it is one of the easiest websites to use for gathering information and videos, links, articles to anything you could really imagine. Just gathering, it's a resource for everything. I think it's aesthetically pleasing and available and easy access to anyone. I highly recommend that anyone trying to teach would use Wakelets as a manner of consolidating resources. Under technology projects, you can find my digital story, which is also on YouTube, and it talks all about the history of Bastille Day, which is the French Day of Independence. It's on July 14th, and how it began, how it was started, the actual history of Bastille Day, and how they celebrate it present day is all included in this video. Under mobile apps, I would like everyone to take a look at EDU Creations. It's an amazing app and tool for educators. All you have to do is click on this presentation here to learn more about it. I highly recommend it for anyone who's looking for new and innovative ways to teach in their classroom. Here I'd like to highlight the personal learning networks and personal learning environments and what that means and why that's important. And here is just a little resource of some blogs, some curation tools, some microblogs, and some personal reflections that I had, a blog evaluation, a Wakelet evaluation, and a microblog evaluation. My Wakelet evaluation was especially high. I thought Wakelet, again, was just an incredible resource, and I will definitely be using it in the future. The website that I evaluated was it was based on color, actually, and it was a very interesting and well put together website. It was called colormatters.com, and this entire form will give you my thoughts on it, and if you want to go and review the website yourself, it is very interesting, full of color, very easy to surf through, and these are my thoughts and evaluations on it. And then here, I did not finish the Apple Teacher certification as of yet, but it is very easy and simple for anyone who is looking to go and get those certifications. For any teachers, this is a great certification to have. And then this screencast that I'm recording right now will be right here under screencast. I will absolutely be using some of the tools that I was able to learn about doing this website, just building a website in general. I hope to use Wakelet in the future. I thought it was really great, and just a lot of um, the technological tips and tools that I have learned throughout this entire course. I really enjoyed all of our projects. Each week was something new and something exciting, and the digital story as well. I had a lot of fun creating. And I've still gone back and watched it a few times just because I think it's interesting and I really like the way that it turned out. I really enjoyed this course, and I hope to be using some of these things in the future. And I hope everyone enjoyed creating their websites as much as I did.